Hey, this is Jacob, Gets Handyman. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to find a stud and to mount your TV. I'm going to use a magnetic stud finder. This mount, I already put it. As you can see, I have one stud here and one stud here. The TV is small, so I put small screws here and I shouldn't have any issues with that. If I will go with the stud finder, over here I will see that I have one stud, and then over here I will find the other one. I can do the same thing in the bottom, I will get the same result. One stud and the other one. After we found the studs and we put the brackets on the TV itself, we can lift the TV and just mount it. And that's about it. And the TV is secured.